Now 50 years old woman look 20 with this best skincare products and this anti-aging Korean face mask. Before applying any face mask, you need to cleanse your face with a good cleansing oil or facial cleanser. You can also use milk cream this way. In addition to a soft and smooth skin, malai or milk cream can also help you get a radiant skin. Lemon is the natural cleansers where citric acid makes it an ideal cleansing agent. Lemon also bring down the excessive oil production with astringent properties, exposing skin to the sun's harmful rays and pollution on a daily basis. Dirt, grime, and harmful chemicals sit on the skin and damage it, making it dull and super greasy. Cleansing is the basic step to keep skin healthy and rejuvenated. Good cleansing remove all this from skin, without tripping off its natural oils. If you want a winter face mask for acne, wrinkles and natural Botox, then this is the best collagen face mask for your need. Orange peel is considered a boon for the skin as it treats blackheads, dead cells, acne, and blemishes. It also brightens your face. You can also use it as a beauty face mask at your home to get that extra glow or for removing tan. Orange peels are an amazing skincare secret for glowing skin. This simple face mask not only helps for skin tightening but is great for skin lightening as well. Aloe vera always been the best when it comes moisturizing for oily skin. Aloe vera makes it a hydrating face mask for men and women both. The cooling properties of aloe vera will make this a cooling face mask. Aloe vera improves the elasticity of skin and makes it smoother and supple. Aloe vera has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent that helps reduce your acne. It is the best moisturizer for oily and acne-prone skin. Honey's mild exfoliating ability reveals fresh, smooth skin by safely removing dead skin cells that can clog pores and make your skin look dull. Raw honey will make it a exfoliating face mask, which is also a good face mask for acne. This Japanese face mask is a great laugh lines filler and the best wrinkle remover face mask which diminish the lines around mouth and forehead wrinkles forever. This is best facial mask for women. Follow this anti-aging skincare routine for hydrating, exfoliating with skin whitening and skin tightening benefits. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.